Did you know a group of pensioners pulled off the largest burglary in English history? Easter weekend 2015, Hatton Garden's Diamond District. A crew of men in their 60s and 70s shuffled through London's jewelry quarter. These weren't your typical criminals. They were grandfathers with walking sticks and reading glasses. Below ground, a state-of-the-art vault protected millions in diamonds and precious metals. 20-inch concrete walls, sophisticated alarms, the works. But these old-timers had a plan decades in the making. They spent 4 days drilling through solid concrete with industrial equipment, disabling every security system in their path. 73 safety deposit boxes. Untraceable valuables worth £14 million. The media dubbed them the Diamond Wheezers, but there was nothing frail about their execution. Old-school criminal techniques had just beaten cutting-edge security. Their downfall came through CCTV footage that revealed their faces. Age had given them patience, experience, and the perfect cover. Nobody suspects Grandpa of masterminding the heist of the century.